as we have discussed already the topic glycolysis in previous lecture, now I am going to tell you how to simplify glycolysis. Yesterday we have discussed simplified Krebs cycle. Today I am going to simplify this particular topic, glycolysis in simplified way. So yes, I am Pritish Kulkarni. Stay connected with me. Yes, obviously biology learn with fun. So without wasting time, we'll directly move on to how to keep all the intermediates of glycolysis in mind. So guys, as I told you, glycolysis is a 10-step pathway. So obviously there are all these 10 types of intermediates involved in it. So I have made it very simple by writing mnemonic here in these particular circles. So within 5 minutes at the last moment, how you are going to keep the things in mind? So have a look at this. Glucose, starting substrate of the glycolysis. In the previous part, I just forgot to tell you that glycolysis is the process which occurs in cytoplasm of the plant cell. When we talk about bacteria, in case of bacteria it occurs in cytosol. So guys, feed this in your mind. What is the location of glycolysis? Cytoplasm of the plant cell. Yes. Now look at this. Glucose, then converted to glucose 6-phosphate, then formed fructose 6-phosphate, then fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Then in my language I used to call these two as DHAP and GAP. DHAP and GAP. So what is DHAP? Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. What is GAP? Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So guys, I used to call this as PAGL. Yes, I used to call this as PAGL also because it is a 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. So it is up to you. You can call it as DHAP, GAP, PAGL according to your convenience because we are simplifying the glycolysis. So now the next part is 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. Next that 3-PGA or 3-phosphoglycerate, 2-phosphoglycerate, then phosphoenol pyruvate. You know this, PEPA. Yes, in C4 pathway also we have studied already. So PEPA is phosphoenol pyruvic acid or pyruvate. And lastly, pyruvate. Now, without wasting, you know all the intermediates. What is my duty? To give you this in a very simple form. So look at this. Look at the sentence. Hello. Yes. Good girls, Father Franklin. You can call it as gorgeous girls, Father Franklin. It's up to you. You want to say good girl or gorgeous girl. So, good girls, Father Franklin did a good job. Again, look at this. Good girls, Father Franklin did a good job. Half part of the sentence. Good girls, Father Franklin did a good job. Okay. So have you understood the half part of the sentence? Good girls, Father Franklin did a good job. By. See. By. For 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. Picking. You know, he was just in a mood of preparing pies, means pastries. And for the same purpose, he is taking the help of pumpkins. So, good girls, Father Franklin did a good job by picking pumpkins to prepare pies. Are you getting me? Good girls, Father Franklin did a good job by picking pumpkins to prepare pies. Finish. So guys, in this way you are going to keep all the intermediates of glycolysis in a very simplified way. Thank you.